How to fix copying and forwarding is not allowed in this channel. So if you want to fix the copying and forwarding is not allowed in this channel on Telegram, then what you need to do is first open up your Telegram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, now if you're not being able to like forward a message in Telegram, then first you just need to simply open up the video which you would like to send or which you would like to forward. So for example, I'll be choosing this image, or you can also choose a video. So once you choose, you need to simply tap and hold on to that image or that video, and then tap on forward, which is on the bottom right, and you'll be able to forward, right? But I'll be choosing another one. So once you open your chat, or once you here with the video, what you need to do is simply go with the link. You need to simply tap on the link and you will have a share option, right? Simply tap on the share. Once you tap on share here, you might have an option of copy link. So if you don't have the option of copy link, then you just need to simply tap on share and then tap on send to. And here you need to search for save restricted content. You can simply copy the link if you're being able to copy the link, and then you need to paste it on save restricted content. So tap on it and then tap on send, and send that video or send that message to save restricted content. So that's how you can fix copying and forwarding is not allowed in this channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.